press that motherfucker.
Is it? Okay. I want to take my glasses off.
But I got this video idea. This is my video idea. I got this from Jesser.
Okay. Show them the first fry, then put it in my mouth.
Alright, so that one. Ready? Bite it. Well, you can't open your eyes.
Why?
Because you know what fry, you saw what fry I put in.
Wendy's?
Alright, next fry.
What's Wendy's?
I can't say anything. Next fry.
Dairy Queen.
Okay. And then we have last fry, which is...
How did that taste rotten?
Oh.
I know this one is Wendy's, the last one was McDonald's, the first one was Dairy Queen. So it goes Dairy Queen, McDonald's, Wendy's.
Alright, so you want your results?
Yeah.
You got 1 out of 3.
What?
You got Wendy's and Dairy Queen mixed up. The middle one was McDonald's. You got some ads fries.
Okay. Fry number 1. This one. I don't have any mouth on this.
That's McDonald's.
Over here a little bit. Yeah. Is it though?
I don't know. I'm guessing McDonald's.
Fry number 2.
That's Wendy's.
Fry number 3.
What the fuck?
What?
I guess I gotta go with Dairy. No. Okay, wait. The first one is Dairy, one's Wendy's, third one's McDonald's.
So, I tricked your ass.
Yeah, the last one was McDonald's too.
Yeah, and McDonald's
Wendy's, McDonald's.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it.
Hey!
So I got them all right then.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You can't change your mind.
You can't fucking put both of the same fries in my
Yeah,
mouth.
I can. No, you... Yeah. I don't know what Jenna's gonna do for Saturday, so just watch out for that. And subscribe to him. It's ODP Freeze.
I live stream.
I'm in one of his videos, so go check that out. Follow him on Instagram, tferns12. Follow me and Jenna on Instagram and shit. It's all down below. See you Saturday.
Bye.
Peace.
6 figures I was only for. 6 figures I was only for. So much.